Hey, it's Keith here, KG's Garage. I am working on this 2014 Honda Odyssey, doing the belt. I totally forgot to film taking the belt off, but now I'm putting the belt on. Hopefully I remember how it goes. But what you want to do is, the belt comes right off. I have this big long stick here, and you put it on the tensioner right there. That's the tensioner pulley. Right below there. I took the power steering pump reservoir off, and now you can just, when I put it on originally, it was like right about here. I asked how to move it that much, and the belt came off. Now when you have the belt off, it wants to go all the way over, so I want to give it as much play possible. So that's what I did there, and this hose is fine. So now I just have to put it back on. So it needs to go down on all the way down at the crank pulley, all the way down there. I don't remember now. I should have filmed it. Comes around, I think the AC. I don't know. I'll figure it out. The way you can tell is you have pulleys here, like this pulley right there. Can you see it? That one's smooth, so that's the back side of the belt. So the back side of the belt goes there. Parts with the grooves, obviously, the groove part goes on there. So there's two shiny ones that are flat. You can see them there you go, right there. One's this adjustable pulley, oops, and the other one's like an idle pulley, doesn't move. So that goes on the smooth side of the belt. Everything, all the pulleys that have a groove on it, the belt goes on the groove side. So I just have to figure that out. I have to climb inside here. Get it around the crank is the first way. You want to end up with the pulley over here, and then just put it on over here. I didn't have to take this off to get the pulley, so this thing went in, so it doesn't go around that pulley. This goes down, goes around the crank. I think it goes, I don't know, I gotta figure it out. It goes around something else and comes back up. Anyway, I'm gonna work on that and I'll show you when it's done. All right, I got the belt on. I had to look up the diagram. Here it is right here. I can put a link to the diagram in the description below if you want to look at it. But I got it on. You got to follow the diagram or pay attention. It took me a little bit. But you can get your hand, if you have skinny hands, I guess, you can get your hand in here and get all the way around. See where my arm is, right in the front here? All the way around down to the crank. And you just follow that diagram. I put it on the power steering pulley last. But I did, just to get it going, put it on the power steering pulley, run it straight down here, it goes around the alternator, then it goes this way around the idle pulley, and then it goes around the AC, goes over to the crank, comes up and around. I don't know if you can tell, you probably really can't tell. Comes up and around the idler one, the adjustable one, loops around, and then it gets onto here. So this way it's not touching anything. And there you go, it's done. So hopefully this helps. It took me a little while to figure out where to put my arm. So I've done this belt before, but it's been a while. So I just had to remember. And maybe next time I will wear a glove, because I got filthy. And I cut my hand, or whatever. And then this bar here. Get one of these things. This thing works really well. It gives you a lot of leverage. Put a socket on it. The only problem is it's only indexed 4 spots, so it takes a little bit to get this thing in the right spot where you have enough movement. And you can see where I had it on here. I took power steering pump off, or reservoir off. This light doesn't help. And I had this thing was down as far as it can go. So now I just got to take this and put it back in here. It just pops off. There's a little tab right here. You pull this tab, lift this up. So the belt's done. And that's it. Then that's all you gotta do. So you can do this yourself. It's not that difficult. I don't know how much a dealer or shop charges for that. I mean, let's say even if it's 1 hour, you're probably $100 something bucks. Plus they're gonna charge you a lot for the belt. The belt is, what does the belt cost? $20 maybe? So you can do it yourself. Yeah, I'm just cleaning it up. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you know somebody else working on one of these and has a problem, hit the share button, let them know about it. And if you want to see more repairs and stuff that's going on in my life and with cars and even with the house and stuff like that, go ahead and hit subscribe and then notifications if you want to get notified when I do put a new video up. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.